will end, and then you can see clearly. It's very windy. I'm trying to cover my camera with the I'm trying to cover my camera to the wind. So guys, I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna take 2 days trip, and today I'm gonna stay in Hikkaduwa, and there is something interesting I'm gonna do. Probably tomorrow morning. I don't know if you guys can hear me with this wind. Always the same problem. So I will just the sea is getting far, a little bit far from the train tracks. So let me find a best place. Let me find a good place to show you guys the beach area, the sea. Nice beach. Yeah, sea is over the trees, right there. So the journey is like something between 2 to 3 hours, I guess. This is an express train which is limited stops. So I hope it will travel quicker than the regular trains. So if I'm telling you the cost of this journey, it is like $50. Yeah, you guys will not believe it, but that's the price of the like something around 100 rupees. So train is the cheapest traveling method in Sri Lanka, as well as the least facilities available. You can see this train. This train, these trains are very old and rusty, and I bought the third class ticket. Which cost me like 50 cents, $50. But if you want, you have the second class reserved or some stuff like that. I'm not sure how much it will cost. Pretty sure much. It'll be like $1 or $2 maximum for a 2 to 3 hour train ride. Yeah. I have to keep my mask on because I'm next to the engine. I'm in the first carriage of the train, and the engine is sending me a lot of these ashes and all this stuff released from its exhaust. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to keep the camera a little break and let me catch up with you guys with something nice. So we made another stop. Look at this beach near to the station, train station. And it's kind of hot, very bright day. Okay, I think now the train tracks are running parallel with the beach. Let's see how it goes. These engines are very loud. I think these engines are from 1960s, 70s. I don't know how old these engines are, but they're still running those engines. And these diesel engines are very loud, and the exhaust smoke is way black color. It's like I don't know. Okay, look at this beach, and it's a very nice area. It's a nice area right now. You can see again there is again the trees are covering the view. Why? Okay. Anyway, I hope can show you guys something nice. People are looking at me because I'm holding a stick. Luckily they cannot see I'm talking because I'm wearing the mask. And the mask helps to look at this black smoke coming from the engine. Yeah, even through the mask I can feel the what do you call it? The dirtiness of the exhaust. Okay, look at this. Oh wow, spectacular. Really nice. Sea is very calm. I hope we can do a beach video in Hikkaduwa. So really nice and calm sea. Wow. I can see there are some people running through this area, which is like an island or what? It's not exactly an island. Maybe this thing is created because of the low tide or something like that. But anyway, looks nice. Okay, we are again going through the covered area by the trees. And you guys can see the people are using these race racks to do their daily basis things. To dry the clothes. Look at this. To dry the clothes, see they hang out in the race rack. The kids are always wandering around. A lot of things going on. I think the race racks, those are part of their regular lifestyle. And the train is running very fast right now. It's so windy, and I don't know. You guys can hear me. I'm trying to go loud as I can. Okay, the view is there again, but these houses and the trees are covering it. All these people living near the beach, their life is depending on the sea or the water. So maybe they are doing fishing, maybe they are on the boat, something. There is another train station. What is this? This is called Hikkaduwa. That is the name of the station. Anyway, I highly doubt about. Oh, look at this church. It's a very beautiful one. I highly doubt the audio of my clip, my recording. I don't know, guys. I can only know when I reach the hotel and when I check the view. Okay. Nice view again. I'm not gonna put my camera up this time because this train I need to hold very tight. It's very shaky sometimes. And okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this spectacular sea. There is not much beach here, but the sea is amazing. Wow. So whenever I reach my place, my hotel, I will try to check the audio quality of this clip. Again, there is all these race tracks are running like this. Time to time it's going near the sea. So yeah, it's another wonderful journey. Southern rail tracks of the country. So if you guys want to travel from Colombo to southern area, Gol, Matara, Ambantota, Yala, wherever these places, I highly recommend to take a train ride. But you have to take precautions, you have to follow the best practices of hygiene and health, because not all the people are following those things. when they're riding on the train. I highly advise you not to eat or drink anything while you're riding. If you want to drink something, just bring your own bottle and drink some water or something you carry with yourself. Should not buy anything from the train sellers. There are a lot of these sellers coming to the train and selling the drinks, food, a lot of stuff. So during the pandemic, I highly strongly advise you guys not to eat or drink anything while you ride the train. Just keep your face and ears and whatever the sensitive places. Okay, there is a train coming towards me. These trains are riding really close to each other. So if you're not being careful, that can be your last train ride. So you don't need that. Okay. So what I was telling, just remember not to buy or eat or drink anything from these trains. It can be risky. Just bring your own stuff, but try not to eat anything. Just it's only a couple of hours. You guys can survive without food. Just eat before you get into the train, and then finish it. And I am not willing to remove my mask throughout the journey until I go down from the train and until I clean my hands or sanitize my hands, something like that. So be careful, everyone. Just ride safe. So if I see anything interesting, I'm going to show you guys. Otherwise, I'm going to catch up when I reach Hikkaduwa. I need to search for my hotel. I don't know where it is. I just made a quick booking. I think it's a nice place. It's like a cabanas or cabins, wood cabins, something like that. Let's see. Okay, there is another train station. These stations are pretty. I mean, they keep it clean, but there are no people. Only one person. Yeah, Hikkaduwa South. That's the train. That's the train crossing, rail crossing. This engine is making black color clouds time to time. So all this black color stuff comes with the wind and land on your skin, face, whatever places it catches. So after you finish the train ride, you guys can feel that the skin is oily. Look at that. Another one. How old this train is, you guys can understand that, right? Whenever you see that black smoke, that explains the age of the engine. But it still runs. It still runs. So this is an interesting train journey. If you're riding with your friends or even you're riding alone. Okay, look at this again. We are near to the sea. Okay, he's late for something. That guy is late for something. I hope he catches his whatever the thing he's chasing.